Welcome to Orange Services Engineering. What this really does is allows us to close the circle between supplying components, assemblies, engineered systems. So now we have the ability to install, supervise, inspect, and provide field training for all of our customers. So how do we make the leap? The first best step to any successful project is a solid engineering plan. No job is too big, no job is too small for Orange Services to help. Whether you're dealing with high speeds and accelerations, design and manufacture of custom parts, custom interfaces, or maybe even integration of smart plastic technologies, or you have to deal with some extreme temperature climates. Well, that's great on paper, but how do we get started? Well, really the best way to get started with Orange Services Engineering is we do a site survey and a machine study. We want to review your goals for modernization and performance upgrades, be able to provide you with ROI and TCO analysis, and deliver a proposal that meets your goals and budgeting. So how we do that is leverage research and development to execute that plan that we've come up with. Maybe it's just standard equipment solution, something that we have off the shelf and we're able to supply rather quickly. But we also have the ability to deliver a custom tailored design to meet your specific manufacturing requirement. This gives us the ability to answer the demands of our customers and deliver on challenging requests. Well, how do we know that solution will work? Well, that leads us into our test lab capabilities. We have a 40,000 square foot indoor test lab space to ensure our materials and systems work in the field. We have climate chamber testing, we have the ability to test alternative composite materials, we have an outdoor test track with over 1,300 feet of travel and speeds up to 25 feet per second. We even have multi-axis robots to help ensure that those systems are going to work as intended. So Orange Services Engineering can really provide everything you need to get a project off the ground and ensure that it's going to execute in the field. That is really our primary goal. So let us know how we can help and solve your most demanding cable need.